Dark at the top. Wow, we're recording. Welcome. This is a quick tutorial on how to make a website using your TopoMail account. Okay, so you have your apps over here, right? When you click on those, and your really any, you can go from Drive or from Gmail, whatever. But you have your 9 little dots. You click there, and if you scroll down, you will see one that says, where's it at? Where's it at? Let's see here. I went by it. Sites, yeah, it's sites. You see it? Oh, not site. There it is. This one's sites. And you click on it. And then you click on create. You can create in classic style or in new sites. I recommend the new sites. It's more user friendly. It's very intuitive. It's a lot of drag and drop kind of stuff, right? All right, there you go. And you start building your web page. You give it a name. You can title your page, so they gave it the Master Photography's name. You can go over here and you can add images. So let's add an image really fast. I have no idea what's on my computer, but we're just going to add an image. As
I like that one. The infrared Jeep.
Okay, so this is an image I took over the summer, right? I can add an image that way. I can also drag it up here and drop it in, I think, as my background. Okay, so let's move this back down. Change image. We're going to add that as the image. There we go. All right, we'll call this infrared. Oh. Man, I can't type today. There we go. Infrared photography. Okay. And then I'm going to drag a text box in here, right? Let's see. There we go. So then I can talk about my image, right? All the information about it. You can also pull in layout. So they give you just a couple of simple options here, but you can just drag and drop it in, and it kind of lays it out for you already, which is kind of cool. You can also create where you can link pages. So I have this page here. I can create other pages that when you click on stuff, it'll link you to that page. So you can make this as detailed or not as detailed as you want. This is a great option for other classes too. Like when you have to do a presentation, ask your teacher, can I make a website? It's super easy. Okay, and then when you're done, you're going to click on Publish. All right, and we're going to call this, make each piece of your site. Okay, we'll call this infrared. This is a test. And then you can make it private if you want. Let's leave it not for now. We can always go back and make it later. But we need to make this easily so I can get to it so you can actually grade it, right? Look at it. Because if you make it private, I'm not going to be able to see it. All right. Okay, so publish. Okay, your site has been published. Let's go view it. So if we go to our site, this is basically what it's going to look like. Kind of cool. Super easy, right? So that then what you're going to be turning in is you're going to come up here, copy and paste the link. That's what you're turning in. Cool? All right, any questions? Nope. All right. So we're going to stop.